This is my YouTube tutorial on Pythagorean Theorem. So first you figure out which side you're solving for, which is C, and your rule is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So you take the values of side A and B and you square them to equal c squared, and then you multiply them, and so you get their squares. Then you add them together, so you get 136 equals c squared. So this squared plus this squared equals this squared. And the square root of 136 is 11.662 is equal to c. So that's your value for side C. The length that you're solving for might not always be C. It could also be another side like A or even B. But when you're doing a different side, then you square them. So A squared plus 100 equals 136. And then you're trying to find A squared, so you subtract 100 from each of the sides. And then you get A squared equals 36. Then you square root both of these numbers, and then you get the answer, which is A equals 6, because 6 times 6 equals 36. And so your side length now is 6 for side A. When solving for B, you do the same thing. So you take the values that you know, A and C, and you plug them into their spots. So C squared plus B squared equals 11.662 squared. So you get 36 plus b squared equals 136, and then you would subtract 36 this time and get b squared equals 100, and then you square root both of them to get b equals 10, because 10 squared is 100. And so now this side is 10 squared, this side is c squared, and this one is 11.662 squared, and then you have your side values. This standard represents my problem because I can use diagrams and numbers to represent my problem.